My name is Daniel, and today I will be discussing how collaborators can use forms in SharpCloud. At the end of this video, story collaborators will understand how to use forms to create new items, edit existing items, use a generated QR code to anonymously enter new items from your phone. Here I've created a list view of all of the risks in my story, and on the right side in the Insights panel, I've provided a form to either add new risks or edit existing ones. In order to add new items using a form, simply fill out all relevant information and then click Submit. You can even add relationships using these forms using the drop-down menus provided. Once you've finished adding your information, select Submit. And then you can see that our new risk has been entered onto the view. Collaborators can also use forms to edit existing items in a story. If I wanted to edit my new risk and change the probability and impact to be very high, all I need to do is select that new risk, and you'll see that its information is populated in the form. And then I can simply change my probability and my impact, and then select Update. Now you can see that the underlying data behind my new risk has changed, and it is now turned to bright red because the calculated risk rating is now high. Finally, story creators can also generate QR codes for easy entry for their collaborators and even users without SharpCloud licenses. If you scan this QR code, it will take you to the form itself where you can enter new risks from your phone without logging into SharpCloud. Thank you for watching this video. For any additional questions, please refer to the SharpCloud knowledge base.